Okay, this is behind the scenes of this one skit that we're doing. We haven't come up with a title for it yet, but yeah. Okay. Okay, so we'll start out with me, okay? So you hold the camera. I'll tell you go when I'm ready. But yeah, hold the camera. It's gonna have me, like, running. And you're gonna be, like, shooting your gun so it's making noise. And I'm gonna jump over and jump on the couch, okay? Okay. Ready? Go.
Oh wait, was I supposed to get my gun in the shot?
Yeah, you can if you want. Okay. Ready? Go. Okay, that's good. Good.
Okay. Maybe let's do one more, like, without the gun in the shot, maybe.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Alright. You go.
Alright. So it's gonna cut to you shooting at me?
I'm like...
Yeah. And then, like, back up and then go behind that thing. Yeah, and then start shooting. Okay. Get back up here. Then... No, get back up here.
Oh, but that's the gun here.
Okay. So I completely ignore it. Okay, go. Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, it's gonna be facing me, but okay. Go. Okay, dude, we're done filming that. Okay, now you hold the camera. Okay, now you hold the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna be army crawling like over like crouch.
Got my hand in the shot.
Yeah.
How about... Wait, should I film from right under here?
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Ah.
Okay.
See that? You see that? See what I did there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there. That was cool.
Okay, stop filming.
Shoot the camera.
Okay, hang on. We're behind the scenes. Okay, stand right here. Yeah.
Not with the thing like that.
Yeah. Hold it. Like, hold it. Yeah. Okay, hold it. No, hold this. Yes, hold
sorry.
this.
Hand in the shot.
Okay. Okay. Aim, like, towards the ground, like, on that thing. Okay, ready? Get your gun out of the shot.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Ready? Go. Okay, that's good.
Should I stop recording?
Actually no. Actually no, that's good. Okay, yeah, keep recording. Okay. Go.
This is great. This is a great short film right here.
Okay, go back.
Right.
So you're not, like, so up close to my face. Okay, reach for it. Like, move back, like, behind the couch. Okay. Ready, go.
Wait. Ready? Say one.
Okay. Go. Okay, that's good. Yeah. No, dude, stop shooting. Stop shooting. Okay, let me restart that.
Over there. What?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, go back over there.
And we were like, look, it's a motion.
Okay, yeah, just keep the gun over there. Okay. Okay, ready? Go. then make like a realization face. Like do that and then make like. It's the most powerful pistol of all pistols. I have to get it to defeat him. Yeah, I had the camera facing the wrong way. I had it pointing at my face. Okay, go. No! No! Okay. Yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna do like. Okay. Go. No! No.
Oh, I'll shoot you. Okay.
Okay. Ready. Go. No! Okay.
Oh, my finger.
It says don't make any noise on the
No, dude.
No! Machines. Okay, so when this is going, you're gonna like punch me in the face and then, well, like pretend punch me in the face, and then you're going to run towards the gun, and then I'm going to grab the bomb, and then like take this pin out of it and then like throw it at you. Okay.
So like I'm gonna punch you in the face and run.
Yeah.
And you gotta be like grabbing for it, like pretending to grab for it.
Fine, okay.
Right.
Go. No. No. Okay.
Oh, yeah, yes, bro.
That's gonna be like this. Okay. Got the bomb. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna drop down, so it's gonna be like. How you film this?
Okay.
Yeah, like film me like over here. Actually, slide the gun towards me. Slide the gun towards me. Okay, go.
Oh.
What?
That was too.
No. Okay. Yeah, let's back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's fine. Okay. It's Fiddle. Hi, buddy. Hey, Fiddle.
Fiddle, come here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Ready?
Fiddle, really? Really, Fiddle?
Really?
Really, man, friend? Come on, get out of here.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, go. Okay, that's good. Fiddle, go away.
Get away. Get away.
Okay, hang on. Let me get the gun in my other hand.
Go away. Go away.
Come on, Fiddle. Come on, Fiddle. Come on, you're getting in the way of filmmaking.
She's a good doggy.
Come on.
Go.
Fiddle, go away.
She's
Go! Oh, we're ready. Alright. I was gonna be you, like, sitting on the floor, like, bloody. Okay. Let me get that down over here. I'm gonna be like, how are you still alive after that? Finally. Finally,
You
the
may
war
kill me.
can come to an end.
You
The
might,
1 versus 1 war.
you might kill me, but I did learn one thing. There's no bullets in the clip. That's the end of the...
No. Okay, redo.
It should be called The War That Never Ends, though.
No. Okay.
2 invincible soldiers.
Okay, ready. Go. Still survive. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, go. Still survive after that. Stay down on the floor. Finally, this 1 versus 1 war can come to an end. What's that?
It's the clip.
Okay. No.
Alright, don't do that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, like go back. Go back to where you were and like don't crawl because you're almost dead.
Alright.
I mean, a freaking bomb like exploded in your face. Okay, go. oh, wait. Okay, go. Still alive after all that time. Well, on the bright side, I can kill you with the ultimate pistol. This one-on-one war can finally end. Any last words? Okay. Any last words?
No.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Okay.
Larry's Lounge just uploaded a new video.
Oh, really? Okay. So, start filming. No. Well, let's stand up.
Alright.
Put the camera down. Okay. No. No, like back here. Okay. Go. Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Go. Dude, that was an awesome battle.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that was so cool.
Let's play some video games.
Yeah! Dude, do you want to play Halo or something?
Sure.
Cool. Lego.